again. Mentally, you move it. I'm gonna say why me feel one cause in life. It's all about the journey. The journey. The journey. The journey.
I can say and come out baby be our be aha the journey so na me da obi bia se na wotwe bia mojebre ehwedwumadie ne de bro e wo Adum TV so ansa na de dwumadie ne be hyehye so no mamenda aboafo ma so ma say na wotwe bia timi de dwumadie bro baby bia wo e wo wiase afa na nyina e time herbal mixture o si malaria de adwo ba kope unya time a bibia e be ye kama wanom time awie no oba enya ahofe ne se wa address ahofe ne se wasiesie fie so yie na give us clean care for say omo di edro nwaso bia badwa so otimi di clean the sink im toilet baby bia o pese o tiles so ehwo ye clean de unya give us for near mai bia bibia ebe ye kama lip o si oba no aduane na aduane nya de omo tomatoes na no so ede pa enti se wo di ye aduane a eye kama enti enei me maame me nua ba se wo kodwa so a tomatoes back up and was water and any lip tomato paste. I feel near the nyadria herbal mixture for and also massing any the jumadi bro. Na made that and penny for more Adum TV. Sedabria or mobua near to me the jumadi bro or Adum TV. So and then me guess a miami mammy, Missa. And I'm sure no, and a mini aji send yano ewo de jelly so. Oh, so see, oh, why not Abena bro? Anne, and then made me mammy Eunice Banini, and I ever to chin como ewa hase. Ma, a quava. Medasi sawava. Missa, and I'm sure, oh, we need drink. We need to move Mama acting yet, do. How was the feeling then? Mostati ejumano. The way Anamo was set so how na nipa receive mo the feeling like everything. Mujeni, how was it?
Mami fa akwenya so entia Ghana for. Omushia me almost so ma fe me. I so ma fe omo pa. I love you all. Timichia mo. Obapa.
Ma.
Obraya Quintu. Let me start this way. Me started singing on a minimum singing.
Okay.
Ne ejuma keke na me paye. Nti me te nkano. Ana me kobi na me koye ye ne tom. My first movie a foreign movie. Cobra Vet. I wanna me started fee and then from there no me ye na e ko yi no. Because na ye ma bebre ma omo kwako. So I joined and they were rehearsing us because we use spear, bow and arrow ne sanyamanti or say rehearsals e be mu kakra.
So bi ankopra.
Aja hustle na aja mi ko to mu nti no I always tell myself said ye be ka say ye bia no why ni just told myself. Your training, I saw more sharing. It's not about whom you know. I didn't know anybody because I'm your foreigners. And you know, among the 2,000, a man your dozen. The first one, no. And I say a man in ano, you may 20 out of Buduano.
Hey, out of 2,000.
Yeah,
wow.
if I'm getting the figure wrong, now your dozen. So out of the 20, they chose me. The CA, Afa. Okay, 20 no me count. All right. And you know, from there, no, I started liking the work. So after that, I started going to Ghana Films because some movie no audition, no, Ghana Films no more. I didn't even know Kanda at that time. Yeah, me South Labadi, but I grew up in Tema.
It's we Tema girl.
Me Tema girl. Marco Prima wow. So I became a single mother, and I wanted to just work and take care of my children. Me we Form 4, Manko Secondary School. After Form 4, I got pregnant, so I couldn't further my education. And so I said, office man, you have to find just something to do.
Yeah.
So I started with oranges, and then let's say fruits, and then from there I started boiling rice as a moya noa.
But the fruits now turn or street and I say, what
You feel me table see
now turn.
My just single parent me main in a moment, but I don't mean to me. My mother was there for me.
Oh.
My father was there for me. My siblings were there. As you know, when you feel crana. But Musun count some kromaba. No, I'll ask you why the beauty went to me anka. Because Oba meba naza wo yes no na mimi kwaso so so
that's a creative problem.
He creative problem. So I will let you know, sir, I didn't leave you for any mad person. Just a why a mistake na yabo. Next time I be why. So I got the chance to be leaving them and going and coming. So after that, you know, after the Cobra Vet, I started going to Ghana Films.
Okay.
First, you know, not Ghana Films, you know. I say ye bush ye be wo. Uba, ubenya cameramen, ubenya soundmen, ubenya editors, even the musicians were coming there. Until ube bano, obi to me fini fi ebe ye nyumre.
Yeah, wo.
Be ye nyumre na wabano ye betina wa obi to me fi ebe ye 10:30 11. So as a ebusu ye bi until obi here actress you are there. Obi here cameraman you are there until TV3 came.
Oh, okay.
I want to go here.
Oh.
And we scattered. You know, Osofa Dazi was there, and then Obra,
okay.
and Dachin came.
Oh, okay.
I can't drama na meme no. I Dachin drama.
Okay.
And it wasn't only on TV. That is the most interesting part. It wasn't only on TV. You could track.
Moko performing.
You could perform. You need bound for.
Oh.
You come crossing. The bound for a kaya. I think Black Beats, King Bruce band. It took quiet band from maybe 7 to 12 thereabout. Now yes, we start say until we now opportunity to do stage and a movie.
The movie that's Yehu.
Yeah. So it's a good experience. I miss all those times though.
And your more roa, how are Ojano? It's serious so. Your cousin we near dear. How do you feel? And I say, is it part of you?
Many sooner she was TV no enemy lifestyle no.
Opposite. The
cry. Like I'm fun to be with though, but me no as far as fighting, no. But well, we are human. We see obi agidgidia. You can see.
Yeah.
You over to me. I say okay, mommy, and yet you can also do it. And you know, I think say people loved it.
Yes.
And you know, obi about hardcore.
And I know your series before on. How is it going? Which eye? What I say?
Ejuma no menjai o.
Oh.
Me fa manu so nka se menjai da.
Okay.
Fani say me ya carpenter ni bi ayem frame me say me be ejuma.
Be bodan so a. Itu so gufie.
Egufie.
Be si do a oko.
From say me be twa job na ma betwa. Well, you can't reign forever. And I know one kwan so na nyame ama o talent. Others are coming. But well, let me say, me different kakra ni say. Even if you give me the script, I'll read it, I'll go through, I will understand. But you do say to swa, I can ask you, I don't know, so we'll say, Yankono, script, ditto. Fine, that's your choice. But I ask you if I can do it my own way.
If you can add your own.
I'll do it my own way,
yeah.
But still, no content now. It will come.
Okay.
If the person says yes,
free to go.
The master didn't say, ditto no. Can script na can.
True and pure.
No. What to me yes, Steve.
Why Barry now? You know.
Let me flow like this everyday life thing. That is how I do it by the grace of God. Me go acting school, me go secondary school, but I learned on the set.
Okay.
Your mommy script now. What I don't understand, I ask.
Ye try your home akojin krato ye ba is still the journey. Yakoje enkrato aba ogusua ehwede journey ewo Adom TV. Ene ye ne ye mame Eunice Banini ene atwetwe nkomo wo de journey so. Mami, mo time no, yesi ne how pa.
Ne how me.
Ne how pa.
Awo kwa me so.
Ujine mu.
Asen what?
As mo time no, munya film no but mo make it out of it.
Yeah,
is
time.
It true?
Yeah, time.
I say not love of stardom na.
Say ejuma na show business.
Show business.
Yeah, time no. Yeah, show no na business.
The business I feel I'm crying business.
Better business na ba. Wow. Funny say titi footballers no.
Footballers na.
They paved way for and footballers
no.
was titi for no. And I yakotwa obi baby oda kra mobo.
Oh.
Mobo satam nyeske bia sa but na ya pay juma no.
Ope na mo ye ni yie so.
Ye ni yie pa.
Ene na manage na man na nkwada no enye bi eye.
Na ye busua na ebuo wo mu.
Ebuo wo mu.
Na sese answer somewhere bi sa no. Ye juma we ya botre o.
You can't do
it na ebi bayira. Eso se wetu kwan. And obi nso bomwa because ye juma we mbo abrewa mbo akokra. And betu pa George. Many aje. Me betu kumiwa. Many aje. It's che na me hwe omo a. I love them so much. Yan time no yetututu kwan na yekology adechi a wo bom panyimfo no dan mu mami ana daddy but you ko sinuamo in case say wo nuama bi wo wa they give it to you, you wash aduane time so a no mo wo dem mama mpacho aduane aba ye di we ni we na ba ma mpacho de hin na wo be we serve them ebuo wo ho wow ene wakodi dwana wo ba brono no so no akole bi wa hu kro be dwane instead so ba ni e o aso onuama no no first no woni wan wow obi kro be gwa wo kra sa ma chi wa be fie se hwe me hu ba no na me kuta nuama mudu akole isi we hu me de me gwa no o ma me so be bo wa kan wo panyi a jede se fata
ye hwe se say the way a girls no eye niama wo social media ase fresh akakra bi wo mu
me say me man to me sere me sa omo biebie nuama no me hu nuama ekoso like even the things they say akola to me be china social edidi atem deep me say rade into social media me kolo mentality me kana akola za ma we nye kolo bia like it's weird it's
a moment say adwuma na say anam penyifo nim anam penyifo na enhemra
na mra yesha some penyifo bi so so social media no penyifo so be didi atam ne ade o
oh nti akora ya wonti menka
how you going to say it
yeah
well nyankopon kra say me owaso no
onti
nyo bia na yetonufo a ofa akola bi wo ho akola bi ade bibi to ni status me nana no ba akwanya akola bi enye that bad but she was younger
to put that thing
in
status
the mama say hey wan ko yisade no enfi wo phone no so a within 1 minute ne ma me hwe phone no so na
control fee
wa chiro God first wa chiro me God first let me see ne ma me say whoa so you know wouldn't what time is it right and now they no koto me kai God first and still God first ne da ho
oh
no bia ne tie efutu no bia
say if you have to come back to this world that say a bow what be actress what you need say what's so babaka ka o person san yes ni djuma
of course yeah I love it.
You love it.
Messiah.
Wow. Eti also ukoye single mother. Parents are all show akwada. After that no worry. Enkwada. Who was saying?
I have 4 children.
4 children.
6 grandchildren.
Wow. Eti o divorce or still only your papa o.
Baby.
Who divorce here?
Me a single divorce ben. Ya shut down worry be asa. Sister, as some that I know I can say I bet na TV no ma can different and me go do for your mother can say hey oh boy.
Okay, then no.
Yeah, like well, it's life.
Okay.
We should be there na chinchina try we person do one share why your mistakes be brave. I always tell people say yeah mama ndie bobo bebre. Start counting from Kwalabrim. Abena GH, that's what I'm going to call you. Abena GH.
Mommy.
Abrabono. Jenny, papa.
Jenny, yeah.
So what he? Woman, men know papa, and ya, Kita Hoodin. I'm an ewe girl, 100% away, but I
think I dear ba.
Kunkunti bana. A cool womb. On say, you know, call Raya womb no more. I am one baby. But you got a chance to enter the womb.
Yeah.
Why you lucky?
Yeah, privilege. You'll be an in a way.
Ninsen and Casancasa, Careno. Obi wa one ninsen cra on wo akolano upon wo wash 9 months. You are here. You have to thank God. If you are saying Casanso now, Bemuno, Obi wa be a young from afar no oko. Nyakolabiana Yako when I didn't be fear. God, your mother brought you home. Are you ready? And today I can say, winning the movie I say. And now the Yaki can say, or Brabby will wait. Yes, we bought brandy here and I walk. And to see our here, when he buy brandy pag dig, when he buy Brianni Abia, or be a Juma, or you have to move so born home, dear, when he bread, what will you do? Now you will have to be. Because my person may get Juma to say Nipa way. Don't think so, my person.
Say no. Yeah.
It won't be and Shirifi.
Yeah.
From your mother's womb.
Yeah.
And being a kid.
Yeah.
And growing up. As to what I'm saying, no. Who dear boo, I know susu. Kaiwachi. Count your blessings one by one. Ube wudi nyamia. Would you say ufresika sikabeka? Yes, Abena Ghana.
No.
And so nipani ya pachimpoa. Udidi bola sumpoa. Uka ejay. Obe wu se nipe bi bre.
Yeah.
Ubuni dia. Obeba. Maybe you are rich. He is poor, but in the coin, but to me, I don't see you at the Ajonkwa. Nipa, winning a da ubewu. Winning baby, a ubewu ada. You don't even know where, whether in your homeland or elsewhere. Winning. So just embrace love. You have to love Nyame, na body. Asamba akun ayameka. Yare yemfen didi atem.
Yeah.
Awo yemfen didi atem. Ohia yemfen didi atem. All those things. Na maybe to me GF you one day.
Let's just love.
Yeah.
So when you're poor and our whisker.
Yeah.
You do your home.
Yeah.
You try your home. Yeah, versus here. Kwaji and Krato Ava Oguswa the Jenny Adum TV and I'm a guest young mammy Yadina Eunice Banini and any Sh0cking common. Mommy and then Messia and Yamabre ewo akwantu ya yetu na ansa na obekono afutu ade my yengina muna mudi kai ye maame no mo ye legend no mo pave way. As you said that time it was just the show. There was nothing like the business. It's a na most on yes, it's mean pure water enom. It's a once ye to Tomasikra. Now, HSM of foot was so ebe here. Se ubeti now be found quadia, a beb wow. It turns out now beko. The journey I refer, if we are singing a foot to bako, you know. Now if I can do very.
Mate, you're dressing. You're casting a moonsum. So Miss Abraba moonsum so hear me. You see, you get the opportunity, your ability will take you there, but your character
will bring you back.
Yeah. Pays to be nice. We boadia, we are light. We moadia, we are heavy. Because we are heavy. You see them when they are walking as we do in chair or so far from be as you are not relaxed. Go on. Abrabohi fan a year ago. Where are we heading towards? You have to enjoy life by feeling light. See people, smile to them. Adi mean penny aka young kitten nipa to hon so no be aya akanti no I don't like walking and looking back e bia makon me di boni nti na me hwehwe mechi feel free in this life ene obeti obi nka watchina oni ho nipa ense hwe whether you are on the top baby osikeni wu a ye de no kosha wo mochire no whether the mortuary is 5-star a mortuary ye de wash a fridge mu ye besie emwa na ye sie hiafo no the same thing goes to you ye wi a wo be ye dompe doesn't matter the color, it doesn't matter where you are coming from, black or white, we are the same. Obi eniwa wo so a esi chire na wom obi ats wo tasty is salty. Nipa dasani bia so sikan twa wo moja eye kokko, nothing changes. So we are all human. No matter how I was so, no matter ahonya wo fe ni die ma onyame na body. Obi tiye, obi ntiye, obi suntiye kura. Mo mindful do. So I come do wenyankwa. Boa no. Obi to because of wenum. Oh, where wa bother me? Say wa call say, God knows why. O say my judge, yeah. Don't judge and let them be. Ye dia wo be ye no aya wa said no. Sakro no na oba wa one ne nyankopon asem. Ebia na komode na mpa. Ebia no be so send lorry fare. Maybe it's true. Don't judge because you have helped the poor, help the needy, and respect everybody wherever you go.
And respect everybody. Yeah, that was so bad. Yeah, let's love lead. Now, son, I'll be calling you. Wo actually, Fevi has.
Whoa, that's me.
That's you.
Ooh,
Yeah, that's
look at me. Oh, Abena GH, my sister with him. Ghana, I'm trying to short GH. God bless you so much.
Bless you too. Thank you so much for coming. I feel hampers now. We're hanging in a Sukofia.
Really?
My sponsors here from time.
Oh,
friends. Omunina. You do have Wobias here for hampers in a month to cry.
Oh, you made my day.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for having me.
We are grateful.
Amen.
Meaning so I will fear no was dear. Mensia she meaning say I was a medonia me abodi bia. Nanyame abodi so dear and yini panqua. It's a free neck dear. Abodi bia a free surubia. Now was say your do na ye boo. Na nyamiti mi faso na oshira yen. Aha ena breba ma edi dwumadi esi. Mi amedi dwumadi ho chia me bidin edi Abena Ghana brunga hafo agudie. Brekum dishie ena matena se e wafidi kase so ena ye twetwe nkomo. Me da boafo ase se da wotwe bia mo so yasen. Afra se da PSC enkomo Adom TV. So mo dwumadi eti sei etimi aba. Na nipa east west north and south. Area nyina ehwe na yetimi famu aba ede popra. Asemba ako ende de bia me katro. Mesi nyame wo mu a ebeyeye. Abena ba abena me de wasi ha.
The journey.